What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Trista and thank you so much for watching. In this video I am going to tell you a little bit more about my favorite zero waste or almost zero waste products, because we live in a world right now where there is a lot of pollution, not only with the fashion industry but also with the ton of plastic we produce. Oh, and also I ordered some stuff at the Bamboo Brush Society, so if you want to see a little unboxing at the end of this video, please stay tuned. Before I start talking about all of these products, please know a little disclaimer here that I am nowhere near perfect. I don't live a fully zero waste lifestyle. I just try to make more better choices when it comes to my using beauty products or cosmetics. So please note that if you have any tips, I am open to it, but let's keep it friendly here in the comments and just very welcoming to everybody. Everybody is on a different journey with this kind of stuff, so we can learn from each other, but please stay kind and help each other instead of like, no, you're doing it all wrong, or that is not zero waste, you know, just help each other. I've noticed that even toothpaste is not always vegan. So the last toothpaste I used before making my own, I've noticed that there was egg and milk in it. And I was like, what? What? So I started making my own. Only thing you have to do to make this toothpaste is mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of coconut oil, mix it, add your favorite essential oil. This could be a peppermint kind of flavor or taste. I use tea tree oil that is antibacterial. So yeah, and I love it. I love the taste. It makes my teeth really squeaky smooth and clean, which I love. So this is definitely a favorite. Of course, most toothbrushes are from plastic as well. And you have to change your toothbrush every 3 months, I say, like around that kind of time. So we produce a lot of toothbrushes. The brand that we use for our toothbrush currently is Next Brush, and it came in this packaging. There's a little bit of plastic right here, as you can see. You can just recycle this, but all of it, the rest of it, it is made of paper, and the toothbrush itself is made of bamboo. And Next Brush, I think, is quite easy to find, at least here in the Netherlands. It was only about €4, I think, and my husband marked it because we both had the same. Now let's talk about shampoo. The shampoo I use is this one by Lush, and it comes in this tin case, or you can buy that separately. And it is such a nice smelling one. It is yellow, as you can see, and it smells like lemon. It is a solid shampoo bar, and I used it this morning actually. And how I use it, I just keep it in this thin pan, and I just fill it with water, then just pour it over my head and softly work the shampoo into my hair. This one foams a lot, which I love. And yeah, it is vegan, it is natural, handy to travel with as well because it is solid, it won't leak into your baggage, and I love it, yeah. Next product is also a Lush product, and I am not sponsored, I just want to share my opinion with you. This soap, I don't know the names because I forget them, but it is again a citrusy scented, I think it is lemon as well. Yeah, lemon scented soap, and you can just use this for under the shower for your hands or for your body. and I bought this tin can to go with it. So when you buy it, it comes in a little wrapping paper, and you can easily recycle it, and they cut it for you. So yeah, really easy and handy to travel with as well, and it takes a lot of time before it finishes. So you can use it many times, as well as the shampoo, by the way. I think you can use it up to 60 washings of your hair, so that is great. And I love to use this little soapy guy with this thing. I have no idea how I would describe this or what it's called, but I bought it at a store called Dille and Camille, and it is kind of a replacement for a loofah, because the loofahs I used were all made of plastic. So this is made of a washcloth material, I think you can say, and just fabric. And what I love about this is that you can place your hand here and then just use it dry or wet. It is still wet because I showered this morning, and I love this so much. It is really easy to use with soap, so you can work this in and then work it into your body, and I love it. I think it was about €5 or something, not that cheap, but you can reuse it. So yeah, I love this. Let's head into another topic, the organic cup or the menstrual cup. We ladies, we tend to have our periods once a month or less, more. And a lot of products that we use for that, like tampons and pads, cause a lot of pollution because tampons come with a lot of plastic, etc., etc. Well, the organic cup or the menstrual cup is very handy and very environmentally friendly. So I think most of you have heard about the menstrual cup, but if you haven't yet, I will explain a little bit more about it. The one I have is a size A, and you have one, or at least the organic cup has one for if you have given birth or if you have not given birth yet. Mine comes in this little pouch, and it looks like this. It is a little cup that you can reuse up to, I think, 10 years because it is made of silicone. So the basic thing that you need to do is fold it, place it into your vagina with the little thingy sticking out, and then let it pop open, and then it will catch your blood. And they say you can keep it in up to 12 hours. When the cup is full, you can easily remove it to push this little guy in and pull on the little thingy, the little stick, and just take it out and pour it into the toilet, rinse it with water and dry it if you want to. If you are finished, if your period is finished, you can cook it in a little pan with some hot water and keep it safe in your little bag and use it for your next period. I do use tampons from time to time because I don't really like to use the cup on my heavier days. I don't know why. I think it tends to fill really quickly on those days. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. And you know, every little step closer to being more environmentally friendly is a good step. So I still recommend it. It does get a little bit used to. I would say just try it at home when you have a Sunday, you are not going anywhere or something, because it takes a little bit of time to get used to. So yeah, definitely a recommendation. So my last favorite before we go into the unboxing is this one, and you might have seen this before. This is from a brand called Rituals, and it is a scent for in your house, and we love to use this for in our bathroom because you know, the poopy smells. This helps a lot. And I love that it came in this very pretty packaging. We have the scent Ritual of Hammam. And it smells like eucalyptus and rosemary. And it comes in this canvas thingy. It has a metal lid. This is from glass, this is wood, and of course this is wood. So I think this is zero waste. And yeah, I love the scent. I love this product. The only thing is, if you keep all the sticks in here, this will be finished in like 2 weeks, which is really fast because I think it's around 14 euros or something. And yeah, that is kind of expensive. You have larger ones, but I love the smaller ones for in the bathroom. So I saw this brand, the Bamboo Brush Society, on Instagram, I think, or Facebook. And yeah, let's open it. I ordered some stuff. I love that even the little tapes are not made of plastic. That is like eye for detail. Oh, I love this. Okay, so it looks like this. And it says, on behalf of the turtles, dolphins, jellyfish, and all other ocean life, thank you for helping us to keep our playground clean. Together we can do this. Let's give future generations a beautiful planet. Oh, and there's a little thank you note. I love it. It is personalized because it says, Trista, thank you so much for your support. Happy brushing. Oh, I love it. I love personal stuff like this. First of all is a toothbrush. And this doesn't contain plastic whatsoever. So let's see. Ooh. Yeah, it kind of looks like the next brush. Let's see. It is, yeah, just as tall, but it has a little bit more bristles. On the website it says how you can remove the bristles. So yeah, if you want a review about any of these products, please let me know. I also ordered 2 sets of cotton buds because, yeah, the ones we have right now are made of plastic. So these cotton swabs are made of natural cotton and bamboo again. Let's see how they look. Ooh, okay. And I don't know why, but these are not easily found in drugstores. Like, everything is made out of plastic. I love to store them in this little glass jar with a lid because of dust. Now the thing that I am most curious about comes in this little box. And it looks like this. Ooh yeah. Okay, so this is a tongue cleaner or tongue... Yeah, I don't know what the other word is for it. It is basically a piece of steel. And the thing is that the tongue cleaners I've used are all made of plastic. They have bristles on one side, like a toothbrush, and on the other side there's kind of a, yeah, how would you call it? Comb? And you just brush your tongue and then take it all off with the comb side. So you can't brush your tongue with this, but I guess you just stick your tongue out and remove all the gunk from your tongue, because your tongue contains a lot of bacteria and that kind of causes bad breath. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. If you want any reviews, yeah, on my blog or in a video, please let me know. I hope that you liked this video, that it was informative. If you have any recommendations for zero waste products or any tips, please let me know. I would love to know more about this kind of stuff, because we all want to see a very beautiful ocean and a green planet. So yes, share this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope to see you next time.